sat by his side, his face so cold, with hands that tremble, but a heart so bold. She hummed a tune from their younger days, a light in the dark through the shadowy haze. Hush now, my love, I'll chase off the storm with melodies soft, keep your body warm. Close your eyes, dear, dream of the sky. I'll carry us there where the angels fly. Her voice cracked low, but steady she stayed, through whispers of grief, her heart dismayed. He took her hand